Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Welcome to today's video. I am doing a video on Father's Day for those who have also been a father and a mother at the same time. Welcome to our discussion on hormone harmony. Female wellness strategies unveiled, focusing on menopause and hormone replacement therapy. Hormones are crucial in women's health, affecting everything from mood and energy levels to reproductive health and bone density. Maintaining hormone balance is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. As women age, they go through a natural biological process called menopause. Menopause typically occurs in women in their late 40s to early 50s and marks the end of their reproductive years. During menopause, the ovaries produce less estrogen and progesterone, leading to hormonal fluctuations that can result in a variety of symptoms, including hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. The decline in hormone levels during menopause can significantly impact a woman's physical and emotional well-being. Many women experience symptoms that can disrupt their daily lives and affect their quality of life. It's essential for women to understand the changes happening in their bodies during menopause and to explore strategies to manage these symptoms effectively. One common approach to managing menopausal symptoms is hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Hormone replacement therapy involves taking estrogen and, in some cases, progesterone to supplement the body's declining hormone levels. HRT can help alleviate symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness, as well as reduce the risk of osteoporosis and heart disease in postmenopausal women. However, hormone replacement therapy is not without risks, and women need to weigh the benefits and potential side effects before starting treatment. It's crucial to work closely with a healthcare provider to determine the most appropriate hormone therapy regimen based on individual health needs and risk factors. In our upcoming segments, we will delve deeper into the various aspects of hormone balance, menopause, and hormone replacement therapy to empower women with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions about their health and well-being. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips on achieving hormone harmony and optimal female wellness. Understanding hormone harmony. Explore the concept of hormone balance and its significance for female wellness. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions, including metabolism, reproduction, mood, and energy levels. In women, several essential hormones are involved in maintaining overall health and well-being. Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid hormones, and cortisol are among the primary hormones that influence women's health. Estrogen is a crucial hormone that regulates the menstrual cycle, supports bone health, and affects mood and cognitive function. Progesterone works in tandem with estrogen to prepare the uterus for pregnancy and helps regulate the menstrual cycle. Testosterone, though often associated with men, also plays a role in women's health by influencing libido, muscle mass, and energy levels. Thyroid hormones control metabolism, energy production, and body temperature, while cortisol, the stress hormone, helps the body respond to stress and regulate immune function. When hormone levels become imbalanced, they can significantly impact a woman's well-being. Hormonal imbalances can lead to symptoms such as irregular periods, mood swings, weight gain, fatigue, and hair loss. Imbalances in estrogen and progesterone levels, for example, can contribute to menstrual irregularities, infertility, and menopausal symptoms. Thyroid hormone imbalances can result in fatigue, weight changes, and mood disturbances, while elevated cortisol levels can lead to chronic stress, anxiety, and sleep disturbances. Maintaining hormone harmony is essential for optimal female wellness. While genetics, age, and medical conditions can influence hormone imbalances, women can take steps to support hormone balance naturally. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help support hormone production and regulation. Regular exercise, stress management techniques such as yoga and meditation, and adequate sleep are crucial for maintaining hormone balance. In our upcoming segments, we will explore specific strategies and lifestyle changes that can help women achieve hormone harmony and support their overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips on optimizing hormone balance naturally. Navigating menopause. Examine the stages of menopause and common symptoms experienced by women. Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It typically occurs in women in their late 40s to early 50s and is characterized by a gradual decline in hormone levels, particularly estrogen and progesterone. Menopause is divided into 3 stages: perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. Perimenopause is the transitional phase leading up to menopause when hormone levels begin to fluctuate and menstrual cycles become irregular. During this stage, women may experience symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and sleep disturbances. Perimenopause can last for several years before a woman reaches menopause, which is defined as the cessation of menstruation for 12 consecutive months. During menopause, women may continue to experience symptoms such as hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and changes in libido due to the decline in estrogen levels. Menopausal symptoms can vary in severity and duration from woman to woman. Postmenopause refers to the stage after menopause when a woman is no longer experiencing menstrual periods. While menopausal symptoms may lessen or disappear during postmenopause, women are at an increased risk for conditions such as osteoporosis and heart disease due to the long-term effects of hormone decline. Navigating the physical and emotional changes that accompany menopause can be challenging for many women. Coping strategies such as maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management techniques, can help alleviate menopausal symptoms. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, may also be an option for managing severe symptoms and reducing the risk of long-term health complications associated with menopause. Empowering women with knowledge on managing menopause effectively is essential for promoting overall well-being during this transitional phase. By understanding the stages of menopause, recognizing common symptoms, and exploring strategies for coping with menopausal changes, women can navigate this natural process with confidence and grace. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips on supporting women through menopause and promoting hormone harmony for optimal wellness. Benefits of hormone replacement therapy. Discuss the role of hormone replacement therapy in alleviating menopausal symptoms and improving quality of life. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is a treatment option that involves supplementing the body with hormones, typically estrogen and progesterone, to alleviate menopausal symptoms and improve the overall quality of life for women experiencing hormonal imbalances. There are different types of hormone replacement therapy available, including estrogen-only therapy for women who have had a hysterectomy and combination therapy with both estrogen and progesterone for women with an intact uterus. Estrogen therapy can help relieve symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, and mood swings by replenishing declining estrogen levels in the body. Progesterone is often added to estrogen therapy to protect the uterine lining and reduce the risk of endometrial cancer. Combination therapy can provide additional benefits for women experiencing menopausal symptoms and is commonly prescribed for those with an intact uterus. The potential benefits of hormone replacement therapy extend beyond symptom relief to improve bone density, heart health, and cognitive function. Estrogen therapy can help prevent bone loss and reduce the risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Hormone replacement therapy may also protect the cardiovascular system by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, hormone therapy may help maintain cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline in postmenopausal women. While hormone replacement therapy can offer significant benefits for women experiencing menopausal symptoms, it is essential to consider the potential risks associated with this treatment. Risks of hormone therapy may include an increased risk of blood clots, stroke, breast cancer, and gallbladder disease. Women must work closely with their healthcare providers to weigh the benefits and risks of hormone replacement therapy and make informed decisions about their treatment options. Diet plays a crucial role in promoting hormonal health. Including various nutrient-dense foods in your diet can support hormone production and regulation. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and hormonal function. Stress management techniques are also vital in maintaining hormone balance. Chronic stress can disrupt hormone levels and contribute to imbalances that affect mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Aim for cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to support overall health and hormonal function. Prioritizing adequate sleep is essential for optimal hormonal function. Menopause is a natural biological process that can lead to hormonal imbalances and a range of symptoms that impact physical and emotional well-being. I encourage you to explore further resources on female wellness, hormone therapy, and lifestyle strategies for hormone balance. Please engage with our channel by subscribing for more informative content on women's health, liking this video if you found it helpful, and sharing it with others who may benefit from the information shared. We can support each other to achieve hormone harmony and optimal wellness. Thank you for watching. Remember that your health and well-being are worth investing in. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips on navigating menopause and promoting hormone balance for a healthier, happier you.